Hello KG1A and KG1E. How are you today? Yesterday was Tuesday. After Tuesday, we have Wednesday. What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. Do you know that sometimes we feel happy and sometimes we feel sad? Sometimes we are happy and sometimes we are sad. Happy and sad are example of opposites. Today we are going to learn about opposites. Say the word opposites. Let's sing the word opposites. 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 We will learn about opposites. What are opposites? Opposites, they are totally different. They are not the same at all. We will see what opposites are. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the opposite words before and after. Say the words before and after. I want to ask you something. Before you will start eating your food, what you gonna do first? Let's take a look at this picture. Before eating your food, you have to wash your hands. After, you can eat your food. This is before and after. Take a look at the lady in this picture. Before, she has a long hair. After cutting, her hair became short. This is before and after. Say for an example, I have an ice cube and I put it on the table for 1 hour. Before, it was full ice cube. After 1 hour, it turned into water. This is also before and after. In this picture, before, they are dirty, but after brushing them, they became white. Before, they are dirty, but after brushing them, they became white. This is also before and after. For this activity, for the first one, you are going to circle the things you usually do after lunch. Circle the things you usually do after lunch. And for the second one, circle the things you usually do before lunch. Circle the things you usually do before lunch. Let's take a look at the opposite words, night and day. Say the words, night and day. Take a look at this picture. During daytime, what can we see in the sky? We can see the sun in the sky during daytime. And during nighttime, what can we see in the sky? We can see the moon and the stars in the sky during nighttime. This is day and night. Take a look at this picture. What can we do during daytime? We can play with our friends during daytime. And what can we do during nighttime? We can take a rest and sleep during nighttime. This is day and night. For this activity, you are going to circle the things you usually do at night. Circle the things you usually do at night. And for the box below, you are going to draw and color a picture of something you do only at night. Draw and color a picture of something you do only at night. Let's take a look at the opposite words, empty and full. Say the words, empty and full. Do you still remember our lesson in science about empty and full? Let's take a look at them again. Take a look at the jar and the chest. Do you see something inside them? There is nothing inside them because they are empty. This is empty. And the opposite of empty is full. Take a look at the jar and the chest. There are lots of things inside them because they are full. The opposite of empty is full. For this activity, you are going to need a red and a blue crayons. You are going to need a red and a blue crayons. You are going to circle with a red crayon each picture that shows something is full. And circle with a blue crayon each picture that shows something is empty. For these pages, just trace the opposite words full and empty. Trace the opposite words full and empty. And for this activity, you are going to draw and color a picture of something that is full. And below, you are going to draw and color a picture of something that is empty. We are learning about opposites. What are some of the opposite words we have learned again? Let's take a look at them. We have before and after, day and night, empty and full. This is all about opposites. Thank you, kids.